The life story of Mahatma Gandhi. Read, imagine, learn English through stories. Listen, repeat and practice. Mahatma Gandhi, whose name is synonymous with non-violence and peace, was born as Mohandas Karamchand Gandhi on 2nd October 1869 in Porbandar, a small coastal town in present-day Gujarat, India. Born into a devout Hindu family, young Mohandas was deeply influenced by his mother, Putlibai, whose piety, discipline, and compassion left a lasting imprint on his character. His father, Karamchand Gandhi, served as the Diwan, Chief Minister, of Porbandar, a role that exposed Gandhi to principles of governance and ethical leadership from an early age. As a child, Gandhi was shy and unremarkable in his studies. However, he demonstrated a strong sense of truthfulness and integrity, traits that would later define his life's mission. In his teenage years, Gandhi faced the pressures of adolescence, including a brief rebellion against societal norms, but his introspective nature often led him to reflect on his actions and their consequences. At the age of 13, he entered into an arranged marriage with Kasturba, a partnership that evolved into a profound and enduring relationship over time. In 1888, at the age of 19, Gandhi embarked on a journey that would transform his life. Leaving behind his family and homeland, he travelled to England to study law at University College London. This was a bold step, especially for someone from a conservative background. In London, Gandhi struggled to adapt to Western customs and faced internal conflicts about balancing his cultural identity with the demands of a foreign society. Despite these challenges, he remained determined to complete his education and excel as a barrister. After earning his degree, Gandhi returned to India in 1891, only to encounter difficulties establishing a successful legal career. He was soon presented with an opportunity to work in South Africa, where he would spend over 2 decades fighting for the rights of Indian immigrants. It was in South Africa that Gandhi's political awakening truly began. Upon experiencing first-hand humiliation and discrimination faced by Indians, including being thrown out of a first-class train compartment despite holding a valid ticket, Gandhi resolved to challenge such injustices. Through tireless effort and unyielding courage, Gandhi emerged as a leader of the Indian community in South Africa. He developed the concept of satyagraha, a philosophy rooted in nonviolent resistance and the pursuit of truth. Gandhi's campaigns against discriminatory laws, such as the poll tax and the Asiatic Registration Act, gained widespread attention and laid the foundation for his future struggles in India. In 1915, Gandhi returned to India, where the political landscape was dominated by the struggle for independence from British colonial rule. The plight of India's impoverished masses deeply moved him, and he immersed himself in their lives, adopting a simple lifestyle that reflected their hardships. Gandhi soon became a key figure in the Indian National Congress, where he advocated for non-violent resistance as a means to achieve self-rule. His belief in ahimsa, non-violence, became the cornerstone of his movement, inspiring millions to join his cause. One of Gandhi's earliest and most significant campaigns in India was the Champaran movement in 1917. By mobilizing oppressed farmers in Bihar to protest against exploitative plantation policies, Gandhi demonstrated the power of collective action and nonviolent protest. This success was followed by the Kyuda Satyagraha, where he supported farmers in Gujarat during a severe famine. The year 1920 marked the beginning of the non-cooperation movement, a nationwide campaign to boycott British goods, institutions, and titles. Under Gandhi's leadership, Indians demonstrated extraordinary unity and resilience. Although the movement faced setbacks, including incidents of violence, Gandhi's unwavering commitment to nonviolence inspired the masses to continue the fight for freedom. In 1930, Gandhi led the iconic Salt March, a 240-mile journey from Sabarmati to Dandi, to protest the British monopoly on salt production. This act of civil disobedience not only challenged oppressive laws but also galvanized international attention, highlighting the moral righteousness of India's struggle for independence. Throughout the 1930s and 1940s, Gandhi's influence extended beyond political activism. He championed causes such as communal harmony, the abolition of untouchability, and women's empowerment. Despite facing imprisonment multiple times, his resolve never wavered. Gandhi's ability to inspire people from all walks of life earned him the title Mahatma, meaning great soul. The partition of India in 1947, which accompanied the country's independence, was a deeply painful chapter in Gandhi's life. Despite his efforts to promote peace between Hindus and Muslims, the subcontinent was divided into India and Pakistan, leading to widespread communal violence. Heartbroken by the bloodshed, Gandhi spent his final days fasting and appealing for unity and reconciliation. On 30th January 1948, while walking to a prayer meeting in Delhi, Gandhi was assassinated by Nathuram Godse, a radical opposed to his vision of a pluralistic India. His death marked the end of an era but also cemented his legacy as a symbol of peace and justice. Mahatma Gandhi's life story is not merely a chronicle of events, it is a testament to the power of truth, love, and non-violence. His philosophy has inspired leaders like Martin Luther King Jr., Nelson Mandela, and countless others who have fought for justice and equality. As Gandhi once said, "You may never know what results come of your actions, but if you do nothing, there will be no results." His life continues to remind us that even the smallest acts of courage can lead to profound change.